do not bring another cat into your house until you watch this video. And I've seen countless cat owners making this dummy mistake. It's choosing a grooming tool for their cats wrong. Most of these tools are ineffective and some even hurt your fur babies. So if you don't want to scare your cat every time you bring out your brushes, listen up. Be sure to get them the grooming tools with nice curvy bristles that covered with soft silicone tips. It helps remove the loose hair from the undercoat effectively while massaging their skin at the same time. And if you use your hand to remove hair from your brushes, stop it. Pause this video and get this self-cleaning brush right now. Manually removing hair by hands is not just time-consuming, but it can tire your hands quickly, making the grooming session less exciting for both you and your cats. So you should tell your spouse